Let's make this one easy. Yes?
No.
Yeah.
Yes. I love the mathematics. Okay, so if this was one of the zeros, and our job is to find all the zeros of this, we gotta take this zero out of this. How do we do that? Well, if this is a zero, you guys know the other zero?
Yes.
Yeah, the other zero is -3 minus square root of 2i. Yeah, I bet you didn't think of that one, did ya? So if you have two zeros right here and they have the i's and everything, you really don't want to deal with i's anymore, this is one way you can do it. You can go x minus -3 plus square root of 2i. And then go x minus -3 minus square root of 2i. And we have to multiply. That's right, we got to multiply the hideousness. X times x, that'll be x squared. X times that, though, is going to be negative. Don't forget the x. X, -3 minus square root of 2i. And then we got to go this guy times that guy. Oh, my gosh. I hate my life. I hate my life. All right. And then the last one, this guy times this guy. Since it's a negative times a negative, it's going to be a positive. And, man, I'm running out of space again.
Me too.
You too. Okay, -3 plus square root of 2i times -3 minus square root of 2i. They're conjugates, so that's actually nice because when you multiply conjugates, you can do a little shortcut, aka difference of squares. You guys remember difference of squares? Like x plus 3. Let's do 2x plus 3, and then 2x minus 3. If you guys were to multiply that, what would you get? 4x squared minus 9, right? You just have to square the first term and the last term, and then put a minus in between them. That's what we're going to do for this guy too. So let's do it. Square the first term is a 9. Minus square the second term, that's going to be square root of 2i times the square root of 2i. Oich. So square root of 2 times square root of 2 is a square root of 4. I times I is I squared. I squared equals -1, so that means this 2 right here is going to be a positive 2. Whoa, lots of stuff happening. Let's write it out. Okay, so we have 9 plus 2. That's what this thing equals, 9 plus 2. Oh, that's cute. Okay, and then we have x squared minus positive 3x. I'm distributing this x right here, this x to that guy, and then this negative x to that guy. So we have another positive square root of 2i x. Let's put the x right there and then put the I. Yeah. Okay, it still looks ugly. All right. And then we have the next one. We got to distribute this negative x to these. Oh man, it looks like I'm running out of space again. I'm gonna have to do this like thing where I start going down a little bit. So what is negative x times -3 is gonna be positive 3x. And then we have negative x times that, so it's gonna be negative square root of 2x and then the I. Then we have plus 11. Do you guys know where plus 11 came from? That guy. Okay, so can we cancel stuff out? Please, please, please. Yes, kill him and kill him. Oh, x squared plus 6x plus 11. Okay, so this is a factor of this, because this is the factor that I get when I multiply the two factors with this. So what do you guys think we're going to do with this, huh? Yeah, long division. So, are you serious? This problem sucks. I hate my life. Okay, I know it's lots of writing, right? What are you doing in here? Math, and you sure? Ah! Runs away. Go make me a sandwich. No, I'm joking. Don't say it to your mom. Bad idea. X squared. Some of you guys who say that are like, I shouldn't say that. All right, look at the first terms. What is x to the 4th divided by x squared?
X squared.
Yeah, right? Okay, so I'm going to put x squared over the x squared term. That's because that's my style. X to the 4th, and then we have plus 6x to the 3rd, and then we have plus 11x squared. Now, you're supposed to subtract this, dude, but I like distributing the negative and just adding them together because then I have less of a chance of making negative mistakes. You know negative mistakes, right? Right. Okay, what is -5 plus -11? That would be -16x to the 2nd power, and then I have minus 21x. What is 3x to the 3rd divided by x squared? -3x. Now I have to distribute that to that guy, that guy, that guy. Oh man. The fun never ends. Negative 3, x to the third. Then we have negative 3 times 6 is going to be negative 18, x squared. And then we have negative 3 times positive 11, which would be negative 33x. Then I'm going to change all the signs. Remember, like I said before, because that's how I like to do. And then we add those together, we get 2x to the second power. And then I add those. Oh my goodness. What is that, 12? Okay, phew. So I was too busy whining. All right, and then we have plus 22. Ugh! Last one! What is x squared divided by x squared? Or 2x squared divided by x squared? That's 2. All right. 2. It sounds like you guys are saying boo. All right. 2. It's cows. Cows everywhere. Hey, look. They're the same. What happens when you subtract the things that are the same? Zero. Okay, so that means if I multiply this by x squared minus 3x plus 2, we would get right back to where we started, which is I know what you guys want to do, right? Right. No, you don't. Okay, I can factor this in my head, can't you? What times what gives me positive 2 and then adds to give me negative 3? X minus 2, x minus 3, or no, 1. And then I found my other zeros. My other zeros are 2 and 1. Yay. They gave us this 0, huh? So I should also say this 0. But, I don't know. I think it looks cute and little right there.